Hello and welcome to our Cunard Queen Anne vlog series. We're first time cruisers with Cunard, so come along with us and see how we get on. We sail from Civitavecchia in Italy, with stops in Alghero in Sardinia, Palma, Majorca, Malaga and La Coruña in Spain before heading back to Southampton. So we're just checking in at Civitavecchia, Queen Anne, and as you can see, no one here.
Finally arrived. Not much queue at all. Hi.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future Cunard Queen Anne videos. Got the card?
Oh, this is posh. 1078. There you go.
And we're in.
What is it? This is nice. Right, let's have a little
Wait,
look at
hang on. Oh, this is nice. Welcome aboard.
Nice.
I'll do
Have a little
nicely.
peek. We'll obviously do a full cabin tour once we've been in it a couple of days. That's nice, isn't it? This is not as low as I thought.
We tried to log into myvoyage.cunard.com where you can book shows, look at your onboard spend. However, it was down for the first 3 days, so if you do need to do this, you can check it all on your television or visit or ring the purser's office if you want to book one of the shows. We had to skip our suite this evening because we didn't want to miss the last evening of the Bright Light Society show, Noir. We're really pleased that we went. It was amazing. Totally different experience than we've had on any other ship. So if you're on board and that is showing, definitely book a slot for that. Afterwards, we went down to the atrium where we saw all the talented chefs putting out the new cake to celebrate King Charles's birthday. Got to admit, it's amazing. Thanks again for watching the first episode of our Cunard Queen Anne vlog series. Hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't already, you can click above and subscribe now so you don't miss any more of our future content, as this really does help our channel out. Thank you.